Welcome, students. Welcome in today's live class. Today I have brought here the solution, okay, of the question related to multiple angles in trigonometry, okay, trigonometric ratio, and how to use the formula of multiple angles that I am going to show you here. That's I have written here the topic tips and tricks, okay, to use multiple angles in trigonometry. This is the topic given there. Here, children, the first question, okay, that I want to show you here is the related question of multiple angles. Okay, so there is given question like this. Look here. If question like this, if sine theta, okay, suppose there is given sine theta here. If here is given sine theta, okay, this is if sine theta equals to, if its value is given there 1 by 2, okay, if value of sine theta 1 by 2, if it has asked to find, right, question is given there, find find cos 2 theta. So there is given this question, okay, like this question given. In this condition, how you will solve this? By using the formula of multiple angles, okay, that I want to show you here. First of all, you write here solution, okay, write a solution for this question, write like this, okay. First of all, write a given value. There is given sine, okay, theta. Its value is given there 1 by 2 there. Write here 1 by 2. And it is asked to find the cos 2 theta value. As we know that we have the formula, okay, here in our question asking there to find here cos, okay, 2 theta equals to what? And this is the question, okay, and we have many formulas of this cos 2 theta in multiple angles, okay. In multiple angles we have many formulas of cos 2 theta, okay, but mainly it depends on the given value, okay, which formula we are using, okay. Among them I have just shown the cos 2 theta formula in many terms, okay. And first one, look here, I want to show you here. Here is given cos 2 theta equals to, we have the formula here 1 minus 2 sine square theta here, okay? Here you write it 2 sine square theta, okay? Why we are using this formula, do you know? Why don't we use other formula? Because the use of formula will depend on the given values. That's why here is given the value of sine theta. That's why use the formula of cos 2 theta, okay, in terms of sine theta. Okay, cos 2 theta in terms of sine theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta only. That we have derived in previous, okay, videos also, previous class also, that you can see there, okay. In any confusion you can see there. The previous videos I have shown there the derivation of this formula, okay. Look here, I am using cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Why do you know? Because here is in this formula, look, here is given sine theta and our value is also given there, sine theta. That's why we use its formula, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Then now we can write here equals to 1 minus right here. Then so here 2, and then we know the value of sine theta is given there 1 by 2. Right here 1 by 2, then bracket whole square, right? Okay, because its value is 1 by 2 and here is a square, that's a put square here, whole square. Then its simplification will be 1 minus 2 into, okay, this multiply, then it will be here 1 by 4 if you remove the bracket. Then we can cancel here 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, here we can cancel. Then here is remaining 1, okay, minus here is remaining 1 by 2, okay. Here also we can take LCM, right? Then when you take its LCM, what will come? Look here, children. If you take LCM here, here will be 2, okay? And 2 ones are 2 will be here. 2 minus, and here will be 1, okay? When you take LCM, then its answer will come here 1 by 2, okay? Like this, we found the value of, therefore, we can write here, therefore, cos 2 theta equals to 1 by 2. It is our required answer. I hope you understood. We used here the formula of cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, because sine theta value is given there, that's why we use this formula. I hope you understood it. I hope you understood. Okay, hello students. I hope you are fine there. Okay, hello Eunice. Eunice is there. I hope you understood this question, okay? Sin theta value is given 1 by 2, then it's asked to find cos to theta. That's why we use the formula cos to theta in terms of sin theta. It is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then in place of sin theta, we put there 1 by 2. It's square, that's why we have to put square. Then 1 by 4, it will be 2 on the 2 to the 4. Then it's remaining 1 by 2. And when you subtract 1 minus 1 by 2, it will come 2 minus 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2. This is the required answer, okay? As similarly, look, student, I want to solve here another question of, okay, this submultiple one angles one. See here that I am going to give you here. If here is given, this is the second number that I want to give here. I want to clear this, okay? Right? This is number 2. The question is, okay, the question is, if that is given like this here, what will you do in such case? If sine theta, okay, I'm using here now tan 1, okay? Why always sine theta only? Suppose there is given here, if there is given, okay, tan theta equals to 3 by 4. Suppose here is given tan theta equals to 3 by 4, okay? The value of tan theta is given that 3 by 4. If this case, in this case, tan theta equals 3 by 4, then if it is asked to find, find, okay, asked to find sine 2 theta, okay, asked to find here sine 2 theta, right? Like this. Another one is there, cos 2 theta. Also, we have to find out here. Find the value of cos 2 theta, right? And next also asks there, what is the value of, and last one there is given, and asked to find here the value of tan 2 theta, okay? It asks here tan 2 theta, okay, like this. Tan theta value is given there, and it is asked to solve us sine 2 theta, find the value of sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and tan 2 theta. And this type of question will be solved like this. Look here, children. In this condition, what to do? First, see here, as I told you, the solution of this sine to theta, okay, cos to theta, and tan to theta depends upon the given values, as I told you in previous question. Here also I want to repeat the same thing. Okay, and our given value is there tan theta, right? Given value is tan theta there. Its value is given there 3 by 4, okay? Its value is given the 3 by 4, and asks us to find first of all the sine theta, okay? Sine 2 theta equals to asking to find its answer, okay? Put there what question, and in this question how to solve, okay children? First of all, right here now, as we know, I just told, I repeat it frequently, okay? I repeat again this also. We use the formula of sine 2 theta. We have the formula of sine 2 theta in terms of, okay, its value is given there in terms of tan theta, okay? What is that we need to learn? What is the formula of sine 2 theta in terms of tan? In terms of tan, there will be, okay, sine 2 theta means we have right here 2 tan. If you are confused about this formula, then you can see my video in previous one, okay, where I have shown its derivation also. Okay, tan 2 tan theta is formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta will be here. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, sine 2 theta in terms of tan theta is this one. Then why we are using this formula? I repeat again, because we have the value of sine. Okay, sine theta we need to find. We have the value of tan. Okay, given value is of tan. That's why we are using this formula. Because we will use here now value tan theta. Tan theta means we have already given there 3 by 4. Right here 3 by 4, right? And it's whole upon what there 1 plus tan theta means implicit tan theta we can write now 3 by 4 its whole square. Okay, if you find out its whole square, then what will happen? Look here, you can cancel. Then look here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are we can cancel here, and here will be now 3 by 4. Then if you open this one, what will be there? 16 1, the 16 will be here. Okay, here will be 16, right? 16 plus, and here will be 9. Okay, 16 plus 9 divided by, here will be also 16. Okay, right here 16. Okay, here will be 16. Then this is 16. Okay, children. Then when we write its reciprocal here, it will come like this. Look here, 3 by 4. Write it 3 by 4 and multiply by this 16 goes this one. Okay, this 16 goes up. This will be reciprocal. That's a 16 by, and this is coming 16 plus how much? The 9. It will be 25 right here. Here will be 25, and we can cancel now 4 1 the 4 4 4 the 16. Then it will be answer. Look here, 4 3 the 12 will be here. 12 by 25 is its answer. Okay, this is the value of sine 2 theta. Okay, this is the value of sine 2 theta of this question. Okay, like this we solve it here. And then look here, children, I want to show you here next one. This is question number 2, okay, of today's solution, right? Its answer has come here. Look, okay, here look, here once what we did here. Just I want to repeat here. Here we have already cancelled. No, this is, then here will be 2 only. Let me say here correction once. Okay, once here, Helen, we have jumped here some little bit there. That's why I want to repeat it here again. We had cancel, but we wrote there. This is here. Look, we had cancel here, no 2. That's why it will be here 2 only. Okay, I found here 2. Okay, this one because we have already cancelled this. This 2, then we have tried here. This 4 for the 16. 16 comes here. Okay, this is 16 and plus, and here will be 9. Okay, look, children. Then its whole upon what will be here? Its whole upon is now 16. Okay, its whole upon 16 here. Then when you write it here like this way, I am writing here. I have repeated this so that it will be here now 3 by 2. Okay, and this will be 16 goes up 16 will be up, and down it will be here. 16 plus 9, it was right. Here will be 25. Okay, and then you cancel it. 102 8 okay. Then it will be here. 8 is a 24. Okay, yeah, it is the answer. 24 by 25 is the required answer. Okay, that previous one we simplified. Okay, we had cancel here, no, even though we had written there 4. Okay, that's why that had come a little bit different answer here. Here is, we had cancelled this already. This is 3 by 2. Okay, not the 3 by 4. Okay, this is the way to find out the value of sine to theta. And now similarly, we need to find out the cos to theta value also here. Cos to theta also, we are using the formula of cos to theta in terms of tan. Okay, we have the formula of cos to theta in terms of tan. Which one? Look here, as I have showed you in the previous video, that we can see there, cos to theta in terms of tan. Okay, first of all, write that formula. What is the value of cos to theta in terms of tan? Okay, there, right here, its formula is 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, up will be minus 1 minus tan square theta, right? And down there will be 1 plus tan square theta, tan square theta. Okay, then this is the formula of cos to theta in terms of tan, right? Then now we can put the value of this tan theta, because that we have already got here. 1, then tan theta, this square, that's why if you do square of this, will come here 9 by 16. Okay, right, 9 by 16, and down also there will be 1 plus, if you do the square of 3 by 4, that will come also 9 by 16. Okay, right here 9 by 16. Then when you take LCM here, now again draw here line. Okay, I'm solving here. Then what will be here? Then if you take LCM, this will come here 16 minus 9, it's whole upon is here 16. Okay, we have taken 16 LCM. Then similar down also do same thing. It will come there 16 plus 9. Okay, divided by here also 16, and we can cancel this 16 and this 16 cancel. Then 16 minus 9, what will come here? Do you know? 7 by here will come 25. Okay, this is the required answer for this question. Okay, children, like this we have to solve it. This is also okay. That we solved here. This is the question number 2 of today's class, and that is, and it was asked in, okay, and it cos to theta. Okay, we are finding the cos to theta. Cos to theta that we got here 7 by 25. Okay, this is the answer of this. Now another is also left here, and there is another question also given, tan to theta. Tan to theta also we need to use the formula of tan, okay, to theta. Also its value should be also written, its formula also should be written in terms of tan. Okay, then only we can solve it. Okay, tan to theta in terms of tan, what will be there? Its formula is 2 tan theta, right? First of all, okay, write a 2 tan theta, right, and whole upon, up will be 2 tan theta, and down will be there 1 minus tan square theta, right? Look at children, most of the students they become confusion here. Here in the sine 2 theta in terms of tan theta, and this tan 2 theta in terms of tan theta, but here is different one. Here is plus denominator, here is minus in denominator. Then while solving this one, what will come here now? Look, I want to show you here this side. Okay, look, when you take LCM by putting this value here, 2 into tan theta means we have the value here already 3 by 4, right here 3 by 4, and whole upon what is there, 1 minus tan square theta. Then if you do squaring, that will come here 3 by 4 whole square, that means 9 by 16. Okay, then when you cancel this, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, right? Then here is remaining 3 by 4. This is 3 by 2, okay, not 4. This is 3 by 2. A whole upon what is there? 16 1 the 16 will be here, right? 16 minus 9 by 16, right? Then we can show here now like this, 3 by 2, okay, and multiply by this 16 goes up reciprocal, and this 16 minus 9 it will be here 7, okay, and now write it 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the, then what is remaining up here? 8 3 is 24, 24 will be numerator and 7 will be denominator. This is the value of tan to theta. This is the value of tan to theta. Okay, children, this is 24 by 7. This is our answer of tan to theta. Now look, children, I am going to show you here the next type of question where we use the formula of sum multiple angles. That is, look here, I want to clear this one, okay? This is 2 number. Now 3 number, look here, children. What type of question will be there in multiple angles? See here, they will be given like this also. If, okay, cos theta is given for there, there is given there cos theta. Okay, cos theta value is given there. If cos theta is given there 6 by, you know, 5, okay, square root 2 this, okay, this 2 is only inside the square root, and it is asked to show. We have to prove that. Means show means we have to show that tan to theta. Okay, here we have to write tan to theta formula this value. Okay, tan to theta will come here 120 by 119. Okay, here is we have to prove like this question 120 by 119, like this question also will be there in some multiple angles. In such condition, how to solve? Okay, I want to show you here. Okay, children, look here now. In this condition, look, what should we do in this solution? Okay, write a solution, and first of all, solution, and write the given value there. Cos theta equals what is given there, children? There is given 6 by 5 square root 2 is given. Okay, and here left hand side, look there, left hand side there, that we have to show there, that's why left hand side equals to what is given. There is given tan, okay, tan 2 theta. Okay, tan 2 theta, as I told you in previous question, tan 2 theta in terms of tan. Okay, there is given, but here is given what here? Cos theta value, right? Cos theta value given, then here is given tan 2 theta to prove this. Okay, children, then what to do in such condition? Okay, look here, tan 2 theta value we have to prove this 120 by 119. Then look here, cos theta given, right? As we know, tan 2 theta means what? Tan 2 theta means we have just written in previous question also 2 tan, it is given there 2 tan theta, right? It's upper value 2 tan theta pi, down is given there 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, there will 1 minus tan square theta down, right here 1 minus tan square theta here. Okay, then after this, what to do? See here, in this question, first of all, we have to show, look, value is given of cos theta. Here is coming in the value of tan theta. Okay, that's why what I suggest to there, this cos theta, okay, we can take the help of cos theta and find out here sin theta, so that it will be easy here, because sin theta equals to what we know in Pythagoras relation, sin theta equals to square root 1 minus cos square theta. That's why by using that cos square theta value we can find the value of sin theta. Then look, children, what will be here? Equals to, right here now, 1 minus, we know the value of cos theta, that is 6 by, that is given by 6 by 5 square root 2, right here 5 square root 2 right here, and its square will be there, right here square. Then when you solve that and when you simplify it, then its value will come here 1 minus, it will be here 36, right? 6 is 36, and down what will be there? Look, 5 square means 25, and this square root cancel. 25 into 2, it will come here, 50, right? Then when you take its LCM here, then you will get here 20, this 51 is 50, right? It will be up here 50 minus here is 36, okay? By there is 50, right? Then when you subtract them, you will get here 10 minus 6, so it will be 4, okay? And is 4 minus 3, 1. It will be here 14, right? And it will not come outside the square root. It's 14, okay? It is 14 only. But this 50 also, okay? Look here. Here is also 50. That's why what I suggest here. If you can cancel inside the square root, you can cancel here. This will be 2 7s and 2 25s. That's why its value will come what here? Here will come here square root 7 by from 25 5 will come outside the square root. That's why this value we can put here now, because we know, right, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, right? We know sin theta by cos theta, tan theta means, and here also we can use 1 minus tan theta means, here we can write here sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, right here sin theta by cos theta. Then there is also square, put here square, okay? Now look, Celine, after this what you have to do, look, I am solving this side because we have already the value of cos theta and sin theta. Now we can put them here. 2 into sin theta means it was here just now square root 7 by 5, right? And whole upon what is this? Cos theta is already given there, 6 by, okay? What will be here? 5 square root 2, okay? Then we know its whole upon what will be this? The same thing we can apply here. Here also 1, okay, minus, then what was this sin theta means? Sin theta means, okay, we found the value of sin theta here, square root 7 by 5, okay. It's also whole upon what is this? Cos theta was there, 6 by, okay, we can write as 6 by 5 root 2, this is right at 5, okay, square root 2, it's also whole square there is, okay. And then what happens? Look here, I want to show you this side. Okay, this side here I am doing. After this, what you will do? What will you look here? This will be the reciprocal, no? This will be like this, look here. 2 into this square root 7 will be up by and 5, right? And this will be reciprocal, this goes up. 5 square root 2 goes up and down it will come here. 6, okay? The 6, right? And then write long line here. And then what to do here down? This will be also similar to 1 minus, if you do square here of all, this will come like this. Look here, this root cancel, this will be 7 by 25, right? This 7 by 25, if you cancel here, then that also it will be 5 square means 25, 25 to the 50 will be here, okay? This will be 50 goes up and down it comes here. 6 square means here 36, okay? Like this we write here 36, okay? This 6 square. Now we can cancel this 25 1 the 25, 25 2 the, and we can write 2 1 the 2, 2 18 the we can write here. Similarly we can cancel here also. If you can cancel, look this 5 and this 5 we can quote. This 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the we can cancel. Then what is remaining, children? Have look there. Here is remaining square root 7 to the, here is remaining 14. Okay, you can multiply the 7 in the square root. Then there is down 3. It's 3 only here. Then when you take LCM here, what happens? Check. This is here 18. 18 ones are 18. Okay, and then 18 minus 7 will be there. 18 minus 7, what will come here? Then 11. 11 by 18 there. Okay, right? And like this, we get the value of tan 2 theta. Okay, the value of tan 2 theta came in terms of, look still there, the value of tan 2 theta, it was asking there to prove there. Okay, see here, I hope I wrote these values from other one, 6 by root 2. Okay, now this value is different one. Okay, this value is not different one, this one, whatever value coming here, that will be the answer here. Okay, this value is, I copied from another question, this one. This is not to prove here. Here this value was written from other question. Okay, this is not the value to prove. What is the value came here? That is the answer to prove here. Okay, write this side like this. Square root 14 will be up and down will be 3, and then we can write here 18 up. Okay, and down there is 11, right? Like this reciprocal, we can cancel this. 3 1 is 3, 3 is 6. Then answer comes here 6 square root 14 up and down is coming the 11. Okay, this is the question to, that we need to prove here. Here we write here its answer to prove is there. Tan to theta equals to 6 root 14 will be up. 6 root 14 is up. Okay, children, and down there will be 11. Here I corrected this question. Okay, this is not the result to bring. This value was copied from another question. Tan to theta, it came here 6 root 14 by 11 to prove, then it is asked, that was asked to prove, then it is proved now here, right? This is the way to prove this type of question. Look at children, now I want to move to next question. Okay, here this question is corrected here. Okay, this value was copied from another question. That's its value is tan theta is 6 root 14 by 11. That came here. Look here, now today I am going to show you the next type because that's the fourth number. In this question, this I want to clear here. That is 4 number. Okay. In this 4 number, look what type of question will be asked there. See, the question is like this. Look here. Question will be like this. If here is given, if there is given, if sine theta, right? If sine theta value is given there, 1 by 2. Okay, in bracket there is p plus 1, p plus 1 by p. This value is given there. Then asking to show that, okay? Show that or prove that, we can write here. Show that, okay? And question asking to show that cos 2 theta, writing here, cos 2 theta equals to its value, asking to prove us minus 1 by 2, and bracket there is p square plus 1 by p square, okay? P square plus 1 by p square. This is the question asked to prove here, to show there, okay? Look children, I want to show you this type of question here. Like this we have to show. Okay children, look. For this type of question, what to do? See here, eh? First of all, write solution here. Write a solution, okay? And here's given left hand side. What is there? Left hand side is given there cos 2 theta, right? This is our left hand side, okay? This is our left hand side. And then right here, cos 2 theta, we have to use in terms of sin theta because there was given the value of sin theta. That's why we use this formula 1 minus 2 sine square theta, like this use, okay? Then after this, look here, what we need to do here, 1 minus, right here, 2 multiply by, right, sine theta means what is the children? Sine theta means as given 1 by 2, okay? There's already given bracket, that's why I'm using here curly bracket, okay? Use a curly bracket, then its value is given there 1 by 2, then whole bracket, this one p plus 1 by p right here, then close the bracket, put here curly bracket, then put here whole square, okay? Then what happens, look here children, 1 minus, if you open that bracket, then it will be here 1 by 4, right? Because this is the square of 1 by 2 also, and its square, what will be then? Open its square, a plus b whole square means what? A square plus 2 into a means there p, right? And b means there 1 by p, okay? And plus b square to there, the 1 by p square also, okay, here, and put this inside the bracket. Now when you cancel this one, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, here remains 1 by 2 only. Now look at children, 1 minus, let's open this bracket, okay, here also we can got p cancel. Then when you multiply with this 1 by 2, here it will come minus 1 by 2 p square minus plus, here is minus. Then what will happen here? Here is also 2 into 1 by 2 only. 2 into 1 by 2, p cancel already. Then here will be also minus plus, plus minus minus here. Then multiply here 1 by 2 into, here is 1 by p square. Okay, like this we can write. Then because look here, what happened that these two cancel. Then what is remaining now? Look, children, 1 minus, here is remaining. Okay, 1 by 2 p square here is, and here is minus 1. This minus 1 and this plus 1 cancel 0, and minus, what is this, 1 by 2, and here is 1 by p square. Okay, now children, look here, these two terms are only remaining, this term and this term only remaining. And what is same here and here? Here is minus 1 by 2 same, that's why minus 1 by 2 take common. Then what is remaining here? And here will remain p square will be there, and from this minus common gone, then here will remain here plus 1 by p square. Okay, this is the plus 1. Okay, this is plus, this is plus 1. Okay, p square plus 1 by p square is remaining inside the bracket. This is our RHS to prove. Okay, and that's why like this we have to solve the question to prove in this type of question, right? And here we have taken minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 common. Okay, and the more related question of multiple, okay, angles will be brought in the next class. Okay, so this only. Thank you very much.